Step 1. Remove loose glass fragments by scraping over it with a razor blade. Affix the applicator to the windscreen, placing the center ring directly above the brake. Make sure the suction cups are firmly attached. Step 2. Gently screw the resin chamber into the center ring until the rubber mouth is completely flat against the windscreen. Step 3. Squeeze 5 to 6 drops of repair resin into the resin chamber. Step 4. Screw the pressure driver into the chamber to drive the repair resin into the brake. Wait for 5 minutes. Step 5. Remove the pressure driver to release any air trapped inside. Wait 1 minute and repeat as necessary. Once the brake is completely filled and appears clear, remove all instruments. Step 6. Apply 1 drop of repair resin to the treated area, cover with curing film and expose to direct sunlight for 5 minutes. Step 7. Remove the curing film. Use a razor blade at a 90-degree angle to remove any excess hardened resin. Apply repair resin to the treated area. Cover with curing film and expose to direct sunlight for 5 minutes. Remove the curing film. Use a razor blade at a 90-degree angle to remove any excess hardened resin.